Guys, welcome back to Travel Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix battery icon is missing on your taskbar on your laptop. So before getting to this, I would like to make a notice what I'm trying to do, or I'm gonna show the steps in on my PC because I don't have a laptop. So you just have to follow the instructions. That is what you have to do. So first of all, what you have to do is just have to go here in the search and you have to search for device manager. Now you just have to open this. Now on the device manager, those who are in the laptop, you will be getting a battery icon over here. So you just have to expand it. Okay, after expanding the battery icon, you have to select the respective battery icon over here and you have to right click and you just have to go for, you just have to disable it. Okay, you'll be able to disable it. You just have to disable it. Once after disabling, as you can see that what you have to, the next step is all about, you just have to go here in the action, then you have to go for scan for hardware changes so that it will be available over here. And now from here you just have to go for enable this. So by enabling, by disabling and enabling, most probably the issue has to be fixed, and that's what it's all about when it comes to this. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.